I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Curlyme Hair. The first thing I want to say is Curlyme Hair is my absolutely #1 favorite hair. From all the curly hairs that I have trialed and error and tested, they have been very consistent. So this is like my top favorite curly hair, and obviously I have other ones to follow. If you guys want to see a video like that, like my favorite curly hair, favorite straight hair, whatever the case is, let me know in the comments below. But this is my #1 favorite curly hair. So if you're looking for a curly texture that looks like this, is consistent, I'll recommend that you get this one 100%. It's curly hair, it does not shed, it's very soft, it holds its curls, it doesn't get dry. All the bad things, it doesn't do that. So I definitely recommend them. They never disappoint me. Literally, this is my second, I think this is my second or third curly wig I received from them. Probably, I don't know. But I know each and every time I receive wigs from them, from the packaging to the wigs, is giving luxury. So you guys can see me unboxing it and stuff. And today I am trying out their new, the M cap is basically, it has like comfortable air area. So like where it sits around your ears, it's like cut out to be like air shaped. And then it has a 9x6 lace that goes all the way here. And I'm going to show you because I did try it on, so you're going to see the demonstration. And it also is more comfortable. It has a 3D dome cap design. Oh, and it's more secured because it has removable combs. So it's more secure, but it's also very comfortable. And it has a larger comb in the back. So yeah, and they also have a new grip band on the inside of the wig. If you guys are interested in seeing how I put this wig on really quick, it is melted because the lace is so thin. They already have it pre-parted and everything for you. And then I did my updated curly hair routine, how to get your finger coils and get your hair to look nice and juicy like this. Let's get right into this video.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you, even though we both know that you do, you do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club, one time also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes. We all have our nights though, don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know. I mean, where the f should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
couple figures, kill a scar like collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. You niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the hate. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker chase bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga drippin' like I got $1 zillion. Got the truck jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the lobsters. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this fucking house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave.
Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra M. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing. Oh, you went demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you had king. Man, now that was green. Man, hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went shitty nail curls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not the field. Hey, you want to spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo.
Guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, if you're super excited about this new M dome cap wig, I will have it linked down below. Make sure you check out Curlyme Hair. This is my favorite curly wig company. I've not tried out any of their other textures, but if you're looking for a curly wig, I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. I'll leave all the codes, all the links, everything like that in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this new cap design, if you like it, if you think that it's innovative. I think that, like, I literally don't want to take this off. It feels so comfortable on my head. It's very flat. And even like the products that I used today, the curl mousse from Ebin, it does not weigh the hair down at all. It literally feels like I put no product in the hair, and it's making the curls pop. So I will leave everything linked down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!
little dog. Turn around, tight, these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches, ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sitting this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I've never been flushed. Bulletproof ravers and came with a kid on it. This shit too light, it can't get you spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on them. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on them.